This GP Grafix sticker kit for the Suzuki GSX-8R is definitely not for riders who want to look ordinary. GP Grafix once again demonstrates their precision and signature design touch, and the result is truly spectacular. For GSX-8R owners who feel that the standard color of this motorcycle is too subdued, GP Grafix offers a much bolder and more striking visual solution. Their latest kit can transform the GSX-8R into a bike that looks ready to hit the Sportbike racing grid. The transformation is truly comprehensive, from front to back. Starting with the front fender, it overhauls the fairing, fuel tank cover, belly pan, and rear section of the bike. Not only that, there's also an eye-catching swing arm decal that visually draws attention away from the main body. From the motorcycle's perspective, the Suzuki GSX-8R itself is part of Suzuki's new generation of middleweight sport motorcycles. Like many modern sport motorcycles, the GSX-8R's character isn't purely that of a podium hunting machine, but rather a smart evolution from a naked motorcycle base. This motorcycle is based on the GSX-8S, using a new tubular steel frame and a 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crank. The engine's character feels like a V-twin, powerful at low and mid-range RPM, without the labored breathing sensation of the older SV series. The main differences lie in the details. The GSX-8R uses a full fairing, sportier ergonomics that are still comfortable for daily use, and Showa suspension, replacing KYB, tuned with a greater focus on front-end stability. When tested at the Monte Blanco circuit, this new suspension setup proved to be a significant improvement. The bike feels more stable, rider feedback is clearer, and braking performance has improved despite still using the same Nissan hardware. Overall, the GSX-8R offers a stable, easy-to-control character that instills high confidence. It's not the most aggressive or extreme tuning bike, and its riding position isn't ideal for hardcore track days.